Welcome to another edition of the story behind the car. We're at the Elks. Unfortunately, the owner of this car was not around, but I had to shoot it. Check out the wheel and tire setup. So it's a 1959 Chevy Biscayne, and the Biscayne was an entry level as opposed to the Impala. And there's Biscayne badging. Love the taillights on the 59. Just really, really impressive. And historic license plate. Plus, it's got the good dealer badging still on there. But the swooping roof lines, plain Jane interior, just a great looking car. And love the gun sight, fender markers there, and the bumper or bumperettes, and then the straight six with the badass air cleaner off to the side. Great looking car. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this one, and we'll catch you on the next one.